Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today we're cooking cabbage fry. Come, let's start cooking. Firstly, take 1/4 of cabbage and cut it into small pieces. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add a little mustard and dill seed and fry it. Once they start crackling, add curry leaves. Now add 1 cup of chopped onions and sauté it. Once the onions are partially cooked, add 3 squashed garlic cloves. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it well. Once it's well cooked, add the cut cabbage and mix it well. Now add salt as per taste. Now let it cook for 5 minutes on slow flame. After 5 minutes, check if it's cooked well, or add little water to enhance the cooking process. In my case, I didn't add water. Now add 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder and mix it well. Now finally add coriander leaves and sauté it. Cabbage fry is now ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.